See, magnetic tip. You put that in there. Hey, what's happening here? It's supposed to fit. It's supposed to fit right in there, and then it's supposed to pop right out. I think it's because it's brand new. It seems like it's not popping out. What the heck? It's supposed to pop right out. Jeez. Might have to take that back, because I like the ones that just, they slip in and they slip right out. That's no good. You know what, this sort of pissed me off just then, because I want the one where this just fits right in and you can pull it right out. Now this did say magnetic bit tip holder right there, see? Okay, but look at here. It says in order to remove the tip, you have to use a pair of pliers. I don't want to have to do that every single time I want to quick disconnect this thing. You know, it's pretty hard to push that in. So every time I want to take that out, I got to use a pair of pliers and pull it out. I mean, I could, but I have one. I had another one where it looked exactly like this, and it's still a magnetic tip holder, and it just slips ka-doink right in there, and then you can just pull it out easy. So now I'm gonna have to take this back to the store. So be careful with that. If you're gonna get one of these, make sure you get the right one. I didn't know there was even 2 different ones available. Now you know. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.